Welcome to our art panel tutorial video, and today we'll be using this wall as an example to show you step by step from start to finish. So in order to determine how much materials to use, always get the height and the width of the area and input these values into our calculator found on our website, which will help you determine how much products to use. So there are three main backings that you can actually choose from. So usually those are wood panels, gypsum board or steel panels. But for today's video, we'll be using aluminum steel panel to show you how it is done. To further enhance the mechanical bond between the aluminum steel panel and the primer layer, we will be roughening the surface of the panel by creating cuts on it in a diagonal manner. This will ensure that the grip between the panel and the primer layer is very strong. As we are dealing with aluminum steel panels, there is a layer of oil film on it. Therefore, we will be using thinner or turpentine to clean off the oil before using alcohol to remove any thinner or turpentine remains. Once the cleaning is done, wait for 10 minutes or so to allow the alcohol to completely evaporate from the panel surface. After which, we will be starting on our first layer, which is the primer sealer layer. After about 1 hour, the primer layer should be dry and not as tacky as when first applied. We will then proceed with the second layer, which is the self-leveling compound. The purpose of this layer is to strengthen the entire panel as a whole to prevent peeling and cracking. So we're back here the next day after the self-leveling layer. So the next step would be our design layer for the art panels. So we are back here the next day after getting the designs done, and what's left is basically the top coat. So today we'll be doing a gloss top protective coat on our panels. So after this, we'll be seeing you guys back at our job site to show you how it is being installed. Okay guys, we are finally back at the site and we are going to get ready to install the panels onto the wall. So first of all, the most important thing you have to do is to actually check whether the panels that you have cut and measured fits accordingly to the surface of the wall. So in order to do that, you will need to actually place the panels up temporarily, so with tapes, and then you have to check the edges to see whether it fits. So for the next step, we'll be moving forward to permanently adhere the panels to the wall surface. So in order to do this, we will be using Max Bond, or you may use any similar industrial adhesive. So many of you have asked if we are able to drill through our wall panels directly, and the answer is yes. You have seen that we are able to drill through the wall panels for the mounts of the clocks. Otherwise, look at how beautiful our panels are after they are being installed. I'll see you guys next time.